Hi, I'm John Free, Director of Product Marketing at AMD. I'm guessing you're here because you've heard about our upcoming core architecture, codenamed Bulldozer. We're glad you stopped by. We invite you to use this series of interactive videos as a tool to learn more about Bulldozer. More importantly, we hope you'll reach out to us to discuss our upcoming technology. So save this URL so that you can come back to this site often and find out about the latest on Bulldozer. So what do you want to learn about now? Click on a link and let's get started.